So magandang araw kabole. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin kabole actually the top 5 names or star players that we can expect kabole or candidates natin na matatrade before pumatapos ito pong Philippine Cup o ito pong season kabole. We'll talk about other things kabole. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot mo yung subscription button. Unang-una sa lahat is the decision of TNT to sign RHJ Kabola into a 1-year contract basically Kabola, para secured na siya na yung import nila Kabola next season, and secured na rin Kabola na hindi na siya makakalaro sa iba pa pong liga. In short, babayaran na nila yung pagpapahinga niya Kabola. First, we have a lot of points here pala to make. No? The first point that we should make is that, wow, they have the finances to do that, Kabola. So, mapapaisip ka na lang, Kabola, na ganito pala talaga ang TNT. No? Kapag nagde-deliver ka ng goods, Kabola, they are more than willing to meet your price, Kabola. So, mababalik ka lang dun sa issue ni Mikey Williams, Kabola. No? So, wala lang, di ba? Parang dun, dito mo, ito yung evidence, Kabola, na in that issue, ang medyo sumobra talaga si Mikey Williams o yung grupo po ni Mikey Williams. Secondly, Kabola, is the reality that should really make other teams fearful about the next few years is that in prime pa rin po si RHJ for the minimum 3 years or 3 seasons pa. So, man, this guy is on his way, Kabola, to really challenge, Kabola, this nuisance or this reality na ang GOAT ng mga imports is si Justin Brownlee. If he will be healthy, Kabola, and if he can carry TNT to at least, I think, 2 more championship, Kabola, wow, I mean, he should be the GOAT import, diba? And another one, Kabola, sa Ginebra naman, Uncle Johnny is hoping that RHJ Kabola, Barrientos, yung nephew niya Kabola, ang makakuha po ng ROI. Pero I think numbers is clearly pointing to Bearfield and even Baltasar Kabola. So, yun lang. I just want to point that out. Then, basa muna tayo ng comments sa mga fans. Alvin Sitchar, totoo naman sa import ang TNT. Sabi niya dito Kabola. And, I mean, that's an import conference, di ba Kabola? Walang mali. No, masa sila sa import nila. Kyra Kent, bagay sa Isaac Go sa Phoenix, kapalit ni Toffin at Atolar. I think go for Toffin and Atolar is not a bad trade, Kabola. It's not a bad trade. Go is still a giant center. And again, giant center, mahirap pong maghanap niyan, Kabola. Now, ito na. Pag-uusapan natin, Kabola, the top 5 names that we think are the best candidates to be traded pa rin. Number 5 ko will be Chris Ross. If San Miguel Beerman will make another big move, I think Ross is a clear candidate na pwedeng nilang gamitin to get that big name or big acquisition to improve po yung talent level po nung team po nila. Next natin will be Arvin Tolentino at the number 4 spot. Of course, very loud pa rin po yung name niya sa mga rumor mill. Of course, kasi nga MVP candidate clearly si Arvin Tolentino is playing his best tournament so far. Number 3 natin, Bearfield, and that is all because of TNT, Kabola, di ba? They want Bearfield. They want to have the best shot in this Grand Slam. And Bearfield is one of their best ticket na pwede nilang bilhin to improve their chances. Pero yun nga lang, nagkaroon siya ng injury, so yung chances na yun, bumaba. Number 2 natin, Maverick Missing, and this is because of the rumor, Kabola, Snowbird, that he is trying to be traded, Kabola. But, we trust his sources. So, number 2 natin sa Missing. Pero number 1 ba na natin, Bolik, Kabola. So, sa amin kasi yun like TNT, badly need a big ticket for this Grand Slam. There's an issue daw between Bolik and the coaching staff. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, I think he should be the number 1. And we all know naman, this guy is a top 15 PBA player at minimum. So, kabakabar sa palagay mo, sino kaya sa kanila matitrade? Comment lang po sa baba.